Hello everyone, welcome back to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to type captions for image and videos on LinkedIn. Number 1. Start with hook to grab attention. For example, struggling to get engagement on your post. Number 2. Describe what's in the image or video. For example, here is a quick behind the scenes look at our marketing team in action. Number 3. Add value by sharing a tip inside our story. For example, consistent posting help us to grow followers by 30% in 2 months. Number 4. Use emojis or bullet points to make it easy to read. For example, plan your content, engage daily, track results. At last, end with call to action. For example, what is the best social media tip? Share below. That's it. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.